know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm back with a next Amazon wig tutorial. So let's get started with this video. I'm just gonna open the bag, we're gonna review the hair and then install it. So I'm gonna put everything right here at the screen so you guys can see everything about the hair, all the infos. The cost of the hair, I believe it was less than $100. So let me just show you guys how the hair comes. This hair is sponsored, so yeah. So let me just, so this is what the hair came in, a little Ziploc bag. Okay, and then it came with a little hoop earrings. This is the wig right here, straight out the package without adding any products, altering the wig, coming from the factory. The wig is at 18-inch. This is in the color 1B, and it's a T-part wig. It comes with 3 combs and 2 adjustable straps, so you can adjust your wig as you please. The only problem I have with this wig is that the lace is on the thicker side. Other than that, the curls are nice. The hair is already pre-plucked, so you don't really have to do much to it. And it was only $77. The hair was sent to me free though, so but on the site it's only $77 for the 18-inch, and you really can't beat that for this quality. Really good. It doesn't even seems like a $77 hair. I'm just gonna add some of this butter. I made it on my channel. You guys, if you guys don't remember, you guys can watch it. I'm gonna leave the link up above so you guys can actually see it. I'm just guys, I know my makeup is looking horrendous, but I'm so sorry. I'm not going to re-record this video. So just watch the hair tutorial, like the video, and make sure you subscribe if you have not. This is loaded with MSM, vitamin C, collagen, amla powder, avocado oil, jojoba oil, castor oil. There's so much good benefits in this thing. This butter is loaded with the best hair growth oils and minerals in. So yeah, so now that my hair is moisturized and everything, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this stocking cap on. I think I'm not gonna bother use this stocking cap. I have a brown stocking cap right here, so I'm going to use that instead. I'm gonna use this brown stocking cap. So this is how it's looking. I didn't do anything to it. It's look pretty. I'm gonna just cut the lace right now and glue it down, and yeah. So let me speed up this video and do that right now. So I'm back. I just went to get my glasses. It's in the other room. My glasses is dirty, but okay. This lace is like really thick. So let me cut it a little bit more. Okay, I just add some water to this conditioner. This is, yeah, I just want to add some water to this conditioner. I'm going to define my curls, and then after I finish doing that, I'm gonna untie this, do some baby hair, and finish it off. So let me just define this thing. I'm just sticking too long to do right here. With my conditioner. So you can see the difference, how defined this section is. Look at that. Versus right here is just dry. So yeah. Just gonna add a little bit more. So Look how defined the curls are. Look right here. So nice. And then over here it's just like, ugh, you know. So now let me just do right here. This section. And just, ooh. Then you just use your finger to comb through, or you can use a brush like one of those paddle brush or a wide tooth comb, but I prefer using my fingers. It's just like doing your natural hair, detangling your natural hair. And it came out again. Let me just put this back in. So this is how the hair is looking. We just choose the side so you can see it. Like that. And then that's the back. And this here is under $100 also. So yes, this here is very affordable. I love these curly hairs. So now let me just take this off, and then I'm going to hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna just let me put my glasses on because I'm blind as a bat. But so you can have it as, hold on, let me see. My eyes, my eyes. So you can have it like this with no baby hair showing. So this is cute. So if you want to do it like this, but I'm going to just do my baby hairs. When you're doing this, you want to be careful because you don't want to like ruin the lace. So that's how it's looking right here. Now I'm gonna just get my tint spray and I'm gonna just spray that. Okay, so this I guess, so this is a final result. So tell me guys if you guys like it. I'm gonna leave the link down below so you guys can purchase this here if you want to. So thank you guys for watching my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.